Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we delve into the wonders of the natural world and explore the intricate relationships between humans and the environment. This majestic mountain has been a source of fascination for centuries, not just for its natural beauty, but also for its cultural significance. As the mythological home of the gods, Mount Olympus has captivated the imagination of people around the world. The Greek government has been working tirelessly to have this iconic mountain recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This designation would not only acknowledge the mountain's cultural and natural significance, but also provide a framework for its conservation and protection. However, as we will explore in more detail, this process is not without its challenges. With many regulations being flouted, there are fears that the mountain may be bearing the brunt of human activity. From littering to unauthorized camping, the effects of tourism are taking a toll on this fragile environment. It's a complex issue, one that requires careful consideration and planning. Welcome back to Nature Walk, where we've been exploring the wonders of our natural world and the complexities of human interaction with the environment. As we continue our journey, let's travel to the Scottish Highlands, a region known for its breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural heritage. Located in the Glen Urquhart area, this striking Bronze Age burial site is thought to date back over 4,000 years, making it a remarkable testament to the ingenuity and cultural practices of Scotland's ancient inhabitants. As we approach the cairn, you'll notice a circular stone structure about 15 meters in diameter, with a passage leading to a central burial chamber. The entrance, aligned to the southwest, may indicate astronomical or ritual significance, leaving us to ponder the beliefs and traditions of those who built this ancient monument. The chamber itself, once covered by a large capstone adorned with cut marks, was likely used for the burial of high-status individuals. Although excavations in 1952 uncovered only the outline of a single crouched burial and a bone pin, due to the acidic soil decomposing any human remains, our imagination can still run wild with thoughts of the stories these stones could tell. The outer ring of 11 standing stones enhances the site's visual and cultural impact, adding to its enigmatic charm. And as we explore the surrounding Corrimony Nature Reserve, we're presented with opportunities to delve into native Caledonian forest and spot rare birds like black grouse and golden eagles. This harmonious blend of natural beauty and historical significance makes for a truly unforgettable experience. As we reflect on our visit to the Corrimony Chambered Cairn, we're reminded of the importance of preserving our cultural heritage and protecting these incredible sites for future generations. The cairn, maintained by Historic Environment Scotland as a scheduled monument, stands as a powerful symbol of the region's rich history and the people who came before us. As we conclude our journey through the natural world today, I'd like to take a moment to discuss a pressing issue that affects us all: food security. The UK government has recently announced plans to boost food production with a focus on intensive poultry farming. However, this approach has been met with criticism from environmental and sustainable farming groups. The concern is that intensive poultry farming is not only resource-intensive and polluting, but also inefficient. It relies heavily on imports of animal feed, such as soy from South America, which contributes to deforestation and habitat destruction. Moreover, this reliance on imports makes the UK vulnerable to supply chain shocks and ecosystem collapse, posing a significant risk to national security. Campaigners are calling for a shift in focus towards homegrown sources of protein, such as pulses, legumes, nuts, and beans. These alternatives not only promote sustainable farming practices, but also enhance food security by reducing reliance on imports. As Harriet Bell from Riverford notes, in the long term, food production depends on healthy soils, healthy water systems, and biodiversity every bit as much as it depends on increasing production. Food shortages and economic instability could be just years away. It's essential that we adopt a more sustainable approach to food production, one that prioritizes regenerative farming practices, biodiversity, and ecosystem resilience. As we move forward in an increasingly volatile world, it's crucial that we recognize the interconnectedness of our food systems, ecosystems, and national security. Professor Tim Benton from the University of Leeds aptly puts it, we're in a new world where events are happening all of the time and will continue all of the time. It's time for us to rethink our approach to food production and prioritize sustainability, resilience, and environmental stewardship. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, keep exploring your natural world.